everyone, this is Aman, your full stack instructor. Welcome to Perfect eLearning family. In today's class, we will discuss about heading tags in HTML. So let's start without any delay. So let me create one more HTML file. I'll name it HTML headings. So I have created one file. I'll use HTML boilerplate code. I'll change the title to HTML headings. Now students, there are 6 types of heading tags in HTML, which are named. The first one is the H1 tag. So this tag is used for the main heading of your web page. Okay, so let me do it. Heading 1, let's run this much only. And as you can see, there is the main heading of our web page. This is heading 1. Now then second comes the H2 tag. So this tag is used for subheading. Okay, so let me write, this is heading 2, and as you can see, it is the subheading. Font size is also smaller than the heading 1, and if we talk semantically, like we use heading 2 as a H2 tag as the subheading, which means that the main heading of the web page would be displayed by using the H1 tag, and the subheading would be used by the H2 tag. Then for the subheading, there is one H3 tag, and so on. So this goes up to H6. H4, H5, and last one is H6. Okay, so as you can see, heading 1 is the uh, topmost for the main heading, and it goes till the H6. So H6 has the smallest font size. So yeah, this was the basic idea about the heading tags in HTML. I hope you have learned this topic very well. So now practice or learn by yourself. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.